Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.